Well, when I came here, I have a bad credit. Now, I feel very happy that you guys deleted 61% of my bad credit. Now I'm good to buy a new house.
Okay, how do you feel about your services and
I feel it was pretty good. You guys helped me out a lot. And now that I have good credit, I can do whatever I want now. Buy a car or buy a new condo. I would highly recommend this service to my friends. And say what? What else should I say?
if you were to rate Vivix Credit Solutions from 1 to 5 being the best, what would you
I
give
would
it?
say 10. Like I say, I highly recommend it to all my friends, my colleagues. Definitely, you have to come over here and try the product.